Trust me, this comes as a very best remedy for your cold and cough. Milagu Korambu, a very tangy, mildly spiced gravy. It goes very well with white rice, with a dollop of ghee. A very best medicine for your cold and cough. A must try from Latu's Kitchen. Hey everyone, welcome to Latu's Kitchen. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll be posting more such healthy recipes, and if you like this video, do leave a like and do share it with your friends. That really means a lot. Yes, through this video today I'm going to share how to make a tangy peppery gravy, which is nothing but Milagu Korambu. So these are the spices we need. Pepper, of course, Zeera, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, turmeric powder, dhania, urad dal, and also chana dal, which I have not shown here. A tablespoon of chana dal. If you are taking 3 tablespoons of pepper, corns, then 4 tablespoons of dhania, that is the measurement, and a tablespoon of chana dal and a tablespoon of urad dal, half a tablespoon of methi seeds, half a tablespoon of zeera, and some handful of curry leaves. The more you add curry leaves, when it is of curry leaves gravy, so reduce the quantity of the curry leaves. Let the pepper flavor dominate here. We are going to dry roast all these dal and the spices. Maybe you can sprinkle little oil. Not a problem, just roast this on a slow flame till it releases all its aroma, especially when the pepper gets roasted, it leaves out a nice aroma. Then towards the end, add in your curry leaves, saute for a few seconds, then turn off the stove. Of course, you need to add tamarind, lemon-sized tamarind, or even you can add a thick tamarind paste. You need to saute along with these spices, the tamarind, and add some turmeric powder and roast well. Allow this mixture to cool down completely. Then grind it into a chutney kind of a consistency and keep that aside. Now take a pan, add til oil, nallehnai, that is 3 to 4 tablespoons, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, and some zeera. Once it is splutter, then add in this chutney. Stir well. So the spices are already roasted, but we need to saute this in the hot oil for a good 5 to 10 minutes. Let's not waste the chutney from the jar. Add some water and add it onto this pan. Add a tablespoon of or less than a tablespoon of hing, maybe half a tablespoon of hing. If you like more hing flavor, you can add more. I'm referring about a small spoon. Now let this cook for good 15 minutes on a slow flame. You will start seeing it thickening, almost like a puli kachal consistency. That is when, and the oil starts separating out, that is when you know that this gravy is done. A very best medicine for your cold and cough, especially in rainy season. Even otherwise you can just have this. It keeps your body warm, healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Looking forward to seeing you back.